Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to track your Krispy Kreme order. It's pretty much simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Krispy Kreme application, which of course I have done right here. Now, where can you find Krispy Kreme? You can find that on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Krispy Kreme and follow through the on-screen prompt to install. After installing and downloading successfully, it's going to take you right into the application where you're going to be asked to either log in or to sign up by creating a new account. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Krispy Kreme. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to track your Krispy Kreme order. From this homepage, if you want to track, let's say you have placed an order and you want to track your Krispy Kreme order, you're going to have to head over to your account dashboard. All right. And this is pretty much, so head over to the top left corner of your screen, you're going to find your account icon. So click on that. So from this dashboard over here, you're going to see my orders. All right, so you can see my orders and you have this card number, you have this my orders option here. So go ahead and select my orders. And it's going to take you here. Now it says I do not have an order. But if you have an order, you've placed an order and you want to track it, you're going to find the status of your order right in here. Now there are 4 different let's say statuses. Yes, there are 4 different, and they include processing, complete, on hold, cancelled, or closed. So from here, you're going to find, if you see processing, it means they're definitely processing your order. If you see complete, it means your order has been completed. If you see on hold, it means your order is on hold and it's going to take it's going to take a while for them to put it, to make it available for you. And if you find cancelled and closed, it means the order has been cancelled. Let's say you requested that it's cancelled or closed or something just happened, you're definitely going to notify you there. So you're going to find any of these statuses, that's processing, complete, on hold, or cancelled and closed, right here in this window. So from there, that's pretty much how you can track your Krispy Kreme order. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.